Welcome, Jabali. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to show you how to create a shape or cut out a shape from another shape. So what I've got here is a cube or a box, and I've got a hole going right through it. So first thing, I'm going to add a box from my shape area. So I'm dragging my box here. Then I'm just going to quickly make it larger by changing sides to 50 by 50 by 50. So it's basically got a cube. So there's my cube, nice cube. And then what I need now is a cylinder. But to create the hole, you need a transparent cylinder. Now here's my transparent cylinder. It doesn't have to be a cylinder. You can use another cube if you want. But I'm going to drag on my transparent cylinder here. Now what I've got to do to make my hole go through that way, I need to rotate my cylinder so it's facing that way. Okay, to do that, we need the rotation tool, and that's these arrows here. Okay, so when you put your mouse over them, you get a dial that enables you to rotate. So I'm going to rotate this way, if you can see that. So I'll click on the rotate tool here. Now if I click and hold, you'll see that as I move my mouse around on this dial, it rotates. If you do it on the outside, you can move it really small amounts. If you move towards center, you can move it quickly, large amounts. Now what I want is 90 degrees, and 90 degrees is in a right angle, so it's facing that way. So there you go, I've rotated. It's really easy. So click, move your mouse over one of these, and you will get a rotation. Actually, you can rotate it different ways, but I want to use it on this axis. You call it an axis. So there you go, there's my shape. So I'm just going to move that towards my, well actually I can move it just outside my cube, and I'm going to lift it up using my lift arrow. So I'm going to move that up near enough in the middle, then I can orbit around, have a good view. It's a little bit to the side, so if I move here, this is just an example, so I'm going for nearly in the middle. Okay, there you go. So a little bit far away. It doesn't matter if it's far away, because I'll show you why. So I'm going to move it there. Then I need to be able to see both my sides of my cube and my cylinder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull the cylinder so it goes through my cube and out the other side. So I move my mouse over the black square here. So I click and hold and drag, and then it magically goes through the middle and out the other side. So as you see, it's gone right through. And now what I want to do is be able to select both of those shapes I've just created. And to do that, you just need to do a little lasso like this. So just outside the shape, click and hold and drag just so your mouse or your lasso, the red dotted line, touches the cube and the cylinder. And when you let go, it basically selects both of those shapes. And all you need to do now is use this tool, which is the group tool. And as soon as you click, it groups the two together and you get your hole, just like that. And that is how you cut out shapes using the transparent tool, in this case the cylinder, and the group tool, which is just here. Try that and see how you get on.